Here's how to scrape Upwork jobs without any coding knowledge. For this, we will use the Upwork scraper from nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Just download it for your browser. Next, press on the extension. Then press Extract Jobs. As you can see, we extracted the jobs in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. Then press Add to Export List. Then go to the next page. Then press Add to Export List again. Do this as many times as you like. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-navigate the pages for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press Stop. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as CSV. After exporting, here is the data. You can also customize the data. To do this, go back to the page. Then, scrape your data again as usual. Now, make sure this pop-up is open. Then, press on the extension again. Then press Customize Fields. In here, you can shape the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. Once you're done, press Save. Then press Export. After exporting, here is our new customized data.